Hello, this is Jeff from Truck-n-Trailer. Today we're taking a break from commercial vehicles to check out this little gem, a 1988 Defender 90. My good friend Matt has been restoring this British delicacy and was nice enough to take me on a drive today. Here's an interesting fact. The Defender was only imported into the U.S. for a short few years, starting in 1993. This little beauty wasn't cleared to cross the Atlantic until it turned 25 years old. This Defender is painted in the color of crimson in the support of the University of Oklahoma. With 186,000 miles on the clock, this Defender is powered by a Chevy 4.1 liter straight six mounted to the factory 5-speed transmission, and that is coupled to a 1.4 ratio transfer case. A few of the upgrades to mention are a 10,000 pound worn winch, 35-inch BF Goodrich tires, a 2.5-inch Old Man Emu lift with extended shock towers and bump stop. We also have a custom-made Alcantara headliner, double-layer sound deadening all over the place, 6 speakers up front, and a rear 12-inch sub. We also have a 10-inch flat screen for the backup camera and all the entertainment that you can think of. If you would like to see more videos of this Defender or content like it, please give us a like and subscribe.